Hello guys, today I want to show you how to remove the LCD screen from the new Volvo V90. First you have to remove this radio control panel. It just clips in. You can put it on the side or disconnect it. Let's disconnect it. There are two screws down here. Torx 20. Then you have to remove these two plastic wood-like panels. This reveals another two screws here and another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws there. I will move to the other side. Now you will need to remove the vent. And there's another hidden screw on the side here. Now you can just pull everything out.